Only people who get it are the people who get it. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this two-part series, we'll be diving into the world of money orders, explaining what they are and shedding light on the potential risks associated with their use. Whether you're unfamiliar with money orders or looking for more information, this video series will provide you with a comprehensive overview. Let's get started with Part 1. What are money orders? Let's begin by understanding what money orders are. In essence, a money order is a form of payment like a check, but with added security features. It is a prepaid instrument issued by financial institutions or other authorized providers. Money orders, a secure payment method. Money orders serve as a reliable alternative to cash or personal checks, especially in situations where these traditional payment methods may not be preferred or feasible. They are often used for transactions where security and verification are important. How money orders work. So, how do money orders work? Let's break it down. To obtain a money order, you can visit various places such as banks, credit unions, post offices, or even certain retail locations. You'll typically need to pay the amount you wish to send, plus a small fee for the service. Purchasing a money order. Once you've obtained the money order, you'll need to fill it out with the necessary details. This includes the recipient's name, your own name and contact information, and the amount you want to send. It's crucial to accurately fill out this information to ensure a smooth transaction. Filling out the money order. After completing the money order, it's important to retain your receipt. The receipt serves as proof of purchase and includes a tracking number that allows you to monitor the money order's progress. Accepted usage of money orders. Money orders have a wide range of applications. They are commonly used for paying bills, making purchases, or even sending money to individuals or organizations that may not accept personal checks or prefer cash. Common uses of money orders. For example, if you're renting a property, your landlord may request rent payments through money orders. Additionally, money orders are often used for making secure online purchases, as they provide an added layer of protection compared to sharing sensitive financial information. Secure online transactions. Now that we've covered the basics of money orders and their usage, stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll discuss the potential risks associated with money orders and how to mitigate them. Understanding these risks is essential to ensure a safe and successful transaction. Thank you for watching Part 1 of our series on money orders. We hope you found this information helpful in understanding what money orders are and how they work. Be sure to watch Part 2, where we'll delve into the potential risks involved and provide tips on how to protect yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss out on Part 2. Remember, only people who get it are the people who get it. See you there. Thanks for watching.